Hey everyone! Today we are heading to Hong Kong. Hong Kong is a special administrative region of China, located on the southern coast of the country. From 1842, it was a British colony, but in 1997 it was returned to China, while it maintaining a special status. Today, Hong Kong operates like a city within a country, with its own laws, customs, and culture. The city is full of contrasts. Ultra-modern skyscrapers stand next to ancient temples, and tradition meets innovation at every turn. There are nearly 8,000 high-rise buildings here, more than in New York. Hong Kong is also one of the most densely populated areas in the world. On just 1,104 square kilometers, about 7.2 million people live. Our first stop today is the Yamate Tinhua Temple. This temple is dedicated to the goddess of the sea and is a part of a complex of 5 buildings, each with its own entrance. What's interesting is that the Tinhua Temple was originally built on the seashore in 1865. The other 4 buildings were added between 1894 and 1920. However, due to land reclamation for businesses and residential areas, the temple complex is now strangely located in the middle of the peninsula. The temple was built in the traditional Chinese architectural style of the late Qin dynasty. The exterior is made of grey brick, and the various buildings are decorated with Chinese characters. You will also find frescoes, reliefs, ceramic figurines, and hanging lanterns adorning the temple. Statues of lions guard the entrance. Now, let's dive deeper into the history and culture of Hong Kong by visiting the History Museum. Visitors to the museum are taken on a journey through Hong Kong's entire history, brought to life by thousands of exhibits. This fascinating trip into the city's past begins in the Prehistoric Gallery, where giant diagrams showcase the daily life of ancient humans. One section features tools and household items made from stone and bone. Next, we enter the Ceramic Gallery, which displays a captivating collection of pottery. Then, we move on the halls of modern history, where exhibits focus on the primary occupation of the time, fishing. Here, we'll explore a wealthy Chinese household, take a behind-the-scenes tour of traditional theater, and even experience a traditional tea ceremony. The second floor of the museum is dedicated to Hong Kong's recent history. You will find exhibits such as the first typewriters, dishes, documents, and photographs. Next, let's take a stroll through Hong Kong's shopping malls and discover what makes them so appealing to tourists from around the world. Hong Kong's shopping malls are some of the largest and most impressive in the world. Many stores here are so luxurious that they resemble hotels more than shopping centers. Hong Kong is a duty-free zone and a global financial hub. High competition among sellers, the absence of sales tax and VAT, along with a large number of wealthy shoppers, have made Hong Kong one of the world's most popular shopping destinations. You'll find a wide range of products at competitive price, including clothing, watches, electronics, digital gadgets, and cosmetics. However, it's important to note that most store owners face high rental costs, which can negatively impact the prices of goods. Now, let's step outside. Take a walk along the central waterfront and enjoy the stunning views of Hong Kong's business district. Let's head to the pier. On our way, we'll pass by the clock tower of the former railway station, preserved as a monument to remind us of the country's history. Next to the clock tower, there is a touristic area where you can sit on benches and enjoy the waterfront. You can also use a good free Wi-Fi. We've reached the pier. Let's hop on the Star Ferry and cross to the other side of Victoria Harbour. The ferry is Hong Kong's oldest form of transportation and has been reliably carrying passengers for nearly 120 years. Even though the two sides of the harbour are connected by road and rail, the ferry still holds a special place in the hearts of locals. It's not just a ride. It's a chance to admire the city's picturesque skyline and experience the charm of old Hong Kong. We recommend every tourist arriving to Hong Kong to take a ferry ride. 15 minutes later, we are on the other side of Victoria Harbour. Let's take a stroll through the business district surrounded by towering skyscrapers and marvel at the concrete jungle. Next, we decided to visit Hong Kong Park. Opened in 1991, Park spans 8,000 square meters, offering a true jungle experience right in the heart of the concrete metropolis. Unfortunately, by the time we arrived, it was already dark, and many attractions like the aviary, the TV museum, the waterfall, and the butterfly garden were closed. However, we managed to climb the observation tower and enjoy a breathtaking view of Hong Kong at night from above. Well, it's time to move on. I suggest we head back to the waterfront, and on the way, let's make a quick stop at Madame Tussauds Wax Museum. With over 100 wax figures of celebrities and interactive exhibits, there's something for everyone to enjoy. At the museum, you'll discover the centuries-old techniques used to create these lifelike figures, and have the chance to snap photos with world leaders, royalty, politicians, movie stars, singers, and athletes. Now, let's head to the waterfront and take in the sights of Hong Kong at night. The glowing skyscrapers and the vibrant atmosphere of urban jungle are truly breathtaking. Did you know that Hong Kong is one of the most densely populated places in the world? In some areas, like Bangkok, the population density reaches up to 130,000 people per square kilometers. On our way, we stumbled upon an open-air exhibition and decided to take a look. Here, we saw statues of famous Chinese historical figures, as well as exhibits and installations that tell the story of the country's culture. But let's now linger to learn and continue our journey. When we reached a waterfront, we stumbled upon a concert by a popular local artist. Many locals were standing outside the concert hall, dancing, listening to the music, and trying to catch a glimpse of what was happening on stage. But let's continue our walk along the waterfront, where we'll find a massive installation featuring giant egg-shaped sculptures, each taller than a person. These glowing, chameleon-like figures in Hong Kong Park change colors as if reflecting different moods. The artists behind this exhibit call it a metaphor for human emotions, which can quickly shift depending on the surrounding. Now that night has fallen, it's time to head back to the hotel and get some rest. Thank you all for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. See you next time as we explore new countries. Goodbye!